Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So in this one, we can use about s equals to sine t square, because if I put this one go in here, we have 1 minus sine t square. Later that we simplify the square root. This one we can simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 sine t cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here, and this one go in here. The s we need to transform into this one. This one that is about cosine t square. The square root of this one that is about sine t over cosine t. Now we need to simplify cosine t, sine t combined with sine t. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go in here. So number 2, simplify number 2. And now we have the final answer, the interpretation of number 1 that is about t. Cosine 2t that is about 1 over 2 sine 2t. And I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. Later that we got about t equals to outside of the square root of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.